Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with me, Lex, give you the best out of best and the real out of real. So we're rolling straight into it. Last week, Bob Marley's Hollywood star was vandalized by who? We don't know yet. LAPD is on it, but trust me, definitely know who for frightening. Moving straight into crediting endorsements. Shenseea has received tremendous amounts of endorsements throughout the whole entire year, and some people feel like they have not received their shine either. Tifa has put out statements saying to give credit when credit is due, and she has been bashed about it, saying that she was being bad man towards Shenseea and this and that. You already know how that go already, but it's okay because she came back again and saying she was not bashing her. What made the comb? But she was simply just making sure people understand that she had the same amount of endorsements as well. Congrats to both ladies and all dancehall ladies that are going strong in the entertainment. Next is Beenie Man's onstage interview. Now, if you haven't watched it, please go check that out so you have a better understanding.
Ladies are crown, you have to do a ladies are do like no disrespect. You can't do less work and
but she's a designated queen at the moment.
Yeah, she's a designated.
So of course people feel like that was a negative statement of him because listen, Spice has been doing a lot. She had an article in Vogue. She has been touring internationally. Like, my girl going good, but of course Spice had something to say, saying that veterans, you know, they're not letting the other people shine. They want to take them shine for themselves. And you know, come on, listen, you gave the path to the people, let the people make the next path for the next others. Yeah. Last but not least is Trabass in his latest video, Simple, which is a Halloween theme, and he was a Joker. Deannee was Harley Quinn. If you have not seen yet, go check it out. It bad music, bad. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall with me. Next week, tune in for more dancehall entertainment.